Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these Halloween inspired nails in minutes. It's really easy to do because I'm using nail decals and they're from Amazon. So let's get started. I'm going to show you all of the material that we are going to need for this nail tutorial. First and foremost would have to be my nail stickers. Of course, everything will be linked down in the description below. These are super affordable. You get a pack of, so many of them for under $10, and I'm just gonna be focusing on a few of the pages in that pack. And for my nails, as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys how I glue that down. I'm using tips from BT Art Box. We're just gonna be gluing them down using nail glue. And the one that I recommend and prefer is this one from Kiss, and it's their Power Flex. The color that I have on my nails, it's like this really nice milky, like very subtle milky clear. E157 from Beetles. My favorite top coat, this one's also from Beetles. And of course you're gonna need a light, and this is the one that I'm using, and that's it. I'm just taking a little alcohol prep pad. This is going to help ensure that they don't just pop right off after all of your hard work. Select the nail tip that fits my thumb. This is how I'm going to be holding my nail. I'm going to apply the glue and I'm going to flip it over. Do you see how easy it was? Now we're going to add a little bit of that Kiss Flex glue just to the bottom part of my nail. This is where you're going to add it. Then you're going to quickly flip over the nail, and then we're going to start at the cuticle line and press all of that other glue that's there forward, just like that. Can you see this little rough edge? I need to file this off a bit. Then I'm going to take this little buffing block and go over the top. Now we're going to paint using that Beetles polish. Depending on how opaque you want your base to be, you're going to apply a second coat and then we're going to continue. But for now, I'm just using one. Now I'm going to remove any of the sticky residue that might be left over on some of these polishes. My favorite part of this whole spiel would have to be the stickers. Now I'm trying to figure out what do we want on our thumbs, because that is what you're going to be seeing the most anytime you're typing on your phone, anytime you're holding anything. This is going to be like everything, right? So your thumbs are going to be the star of the show. I'm going to do this cute little ghost right here. Making sure that everything is free, there's nothing on your nail, because if you have anything there, it's going to slip on off, because these are essentially stickers. And all you do is just press it down. Let's do this little pink sparkle, cute heart right there on the side. You're just gonna go over the top using your top coat. Nice thick layer of the top coat. How cute is this? So cute. Okay, let's move on to the next. See? Nice and dry. It's really cute, but also really nice and dainty at the same time, because we are working with clear nails. And I feel like it's something that you can wear all month long without feeling like you have like overly festive nails, you know? Okay. I did want to do one of these little drips. See how it's gonna sit right above the cuticle? This is where you have a little time to play with until you really press it down, because when you do, you have to commit. See that? I think this looks pretty good. I don't want to do too much. I'm gonna stick this in the light. Skeleton guy's really cute too. Some clear nail polish. This in the light. We got one more on this hand. Here we go, a little bat on this last one. He's a cutie pie too. Okay, maybe I'll do a black one on this one. See how perfectly it fits in that corner? Oh my gosh, I love it. He looks like he's like peeking in. Hello! I want to add a little heart on his just because I have a heart on the other one. Well, let's do a star. star closer to the top. Like that's a really cute placement. I want to do another drip. I actually don't like the way that this one looks. I mean, it's cute, yes, but I feel like the red really doesn't go. So if you change your mind, you could do this too. Scratch it off! Which literally only took me about a minute to do. Just start over if I didn't like the design. I'm gonna put the black ghost on this nail just since I love it so much. Much better than those red hearts. I'm gonna do the white ghost on my middle finger. These stickers are a really good way to cover up any bubbles that might have crept up on you. Like I have one right here. It's a nice place to stick a sticker, and I just think they look so cute. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Super easy and super cute. If you guys try this, make sure to tag me on Instagram. It's my most used platform at the moment. All of the links to everything that you've seen in today's video will be down in the description box below this video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!